I'm Brooke with MBU and MD Business Advisors. I'm here to share with you how education can provide freedom. In celebration of the 4th of July, let's touch on how your training and development can provide you with the freedom you deserve. So let me ask you something. Did you open your doors to play small or to dominate in your market? If you're like most of the ambitious medical professionals that I work with, you didn't open a med spa just to get by. You opened to transform lives, including your own. But if your team is running on outdated skills, unclear expectations, and guesswork, let's be honest, you're not building a brand, you're babysitting a business. So here's the truth, and it might sting a little. The med spa industry is evolving fast, faster than a Formula One race car on the straightaway. Technology's changing, client expectations are shifting, compliance, competition, it's all accelerating. So if you're not learning, you're falling behind, period. Let me throw some numbers at you real quick. The top performing companies in the world invest 20% more in training. They see 24% higher profit margins. Formal training programs, they lead to 218% higher income per employee. And well-trained team members, they're 30% more productive and they stay longer. So instead of asking how much does training cost, start asking what is it costing me not to train my team? Now here's where most med spa owners get stuck. You mean to train your team, you really do. You hold a few meetings, you hand them a dusty manual, maybe forward a YouTube video, and hope for the best. But without structure, accountability, and a proven model, training becomes just another pit stop when it should really be your performance engine. That's exactly why we created Medspa-Biz University. MBU isn't some random online course, it's a full-blown, plug-and-play business education system built specifically for med spas and wellness centers. And yes, we're adding clinical training soon too. Here's what MBU gives you access to. 24/7 on-demand video training for leaders, providers, guest relations, ready-to-use forms, script templates, and implementation guides, role-play sessions to build confidence and close more high-ticket programs, and business strategies that have already worked for hundreds of our clients. Let me paint you two real-world scenarios. You have Mediglow Aesthetics that joined MBU. They implemented our call management system, our sacred consultation system, pride recommendation techniques, and the result, in just 6 months, their revenue is up 42%, turnover is down 70%, and clients are raving on Google. And the owners, they're finally free to lead instead of putting out fires. Now, compare that to Glow and Go Med Spa. They said training was too expensive. No structure, no systems. Fast forward 12 months, and they're still not breaking even. Now they're calling us to join MBU, and unfortunately, they've missed out on 1 year of success. So here's the big picture. Apple, Ritz-Carlton, Zappos, what do these legendary brands all have in common? They obsess over training and development because exceptional experiences aren't a happy accident, they're engineered. So let me be straight with you. If you want your team to close more programs, sell more memberships, generate more referrals, operate like pros without you micromanaging, you have to train them. MBU is not an expense, it's really your growth engine. And so we have something special for the month of July. Book a complimentary coaching session and you'll also get a free training assessment, access to 4 of our most powerful MBU training modules, and guidance on the right plan to accelerate your growth. Go ahead and reserve your fast track acceleration session now. And speaking of leveling up, if you've ever dreamed of writing your own book, standing out as the authority in your market and having clients come to you, then you really need to come and join us in August for our Become Published seminar. It's designed exclusively for medical professionals, such as Lisa Ochoa here, who are ready to position themselves as leaders and leave a lasting legacy. Visit becomepublished.com to learn more and save your spot. Let's turn your expertise into authority, your story into strategy, and your vision into a published book that elevates your brand. Let's stop winging it and start winning, because education isn't a luxury, it's your competitive edge. I'll see you on the fast track.